All right, Gary, let's take a hot lap in this 1967 Chevy II two-door sedan.
Yeah, V8, 4-speed.
Yeah, this thing's kind of a hot rod. I mean, even originally it was just a small block V8 with a 4-speed transmission, radio delete.
Yeah.
Bare bones. People used to order them this way to go drag racing.
That's right, race car.
But this one's got a updated ZZ4 crate motor, 355 horsepower, aluminum heads, aluminum intake. It's a great, nice driving little car.
Is it 373s?
373 Positraction, 10 bolt. Yep, so you park both tires. It's got subframe connectors that are bolt on, which is nice. You know, keeps the car a little stiffer. Just got that vintage old race car look going on. It's got the poverty caps on there. This thing's fun to drive. And it shifts so nice too. Synchros are good. Rubber floor, look at that, man. This was a no frills, basic little V8 4-speed car. No power steering, no power brakes. It's got dual master disc brakes now, CPP kit.
Yep.
All new bushings, ball joints, tie rod ends. It's got factory gauge setup. This goes pretty good.
Yeah. Sounds fun.
This original color for the car, the interior is still original on this car. It hasn't been redone, so it's kind of a good survivor car to start with.
Yeah. Here, let me get the radio. Oh, never mind. Doesn't have a radio.
They changed the station.
Yeah.
But Madeira Maroon, the original color for the car, was painted almost 30 years ago. Paint still looks good. A little bit of checking and stuff on the hood, but not bad, you know. It still looks very presentable.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, the drive's really good, too. Nice and quiet.
We'll shoot some pictures of this bad boy. All right, check out this little sleeper here. 1967 Chevy II. Kind of like the Nova style, but not a Nova, a Chevy II. So this was like the strippy version. Little two-door sedan, post car. Super lightweight. A lot of guys turn these into race cars. This one is still pretty original, other than the engine and differential, basically. The interior is still original on the car. It's got a black bench seat. Radio delete. It does have a heater, and it works. It's got factory gauges and Munci 4-speed M21. Nice headliner, seat belts. Door panels are even original. Splitting a little bit at the bottom of one of those, but you know, it's just got a little character. I mean, this thing is so clean. Rubber floors, no carpeting. Everything was designed to be super lightweight. Finished in the original color. Paint's almost 30 years old, still in pretty good shape. Couple little nicks, chips here and there, but not bad at all. I mean, geez, for the age. It's got year manufacture black California plates on there. It's got the steel wheels with the poverty hubcaps. This one's got the ZZ4 crate motor in it, 355 horsepower. It's dressed up real nice, which you'll see in the pictures in the other video. But transmission works great, clutches, everything's brand new underneath, all new bushings, ball joints, 373 Positraction differential, 10 bolt with traction bars on there. Really cool looking old car. All right, here's the power plant in the 67 Chevy II. Really super clean under here, all stainless steel hardware. Everything's cleaned up beautiful, nice restoration. Shock towers, it's got a dual master disc brake setup in front from CPP. It's got that ZZ4 crate motor, aluminum heads, aluminum intake. Really nice little setup, polished valve covers, long tube headers, dual exhaust with flow masters. Pretty cool. We'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. Yeah, a little rumbling horsepower there. A lot of horsepower for a little car like this, more than they ever had. Probably got less than 10,000 miles on the drivetrain. A nice rapidy rap little sound. Exhaust comes all the way out the back. Yeah, sounds good. Well, if you want to check this beauty out in person, come out to see us, California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley. Phone number here is 818-591-1313. My name's Rich. I can help you, or if I'm not here, you can speak to Gary. Thanks for watching.